Is she recording? Yeah, okay, she's recording. Okay. All right, let me just go ahead and zoom in a little bit, because, baby. Is that too much? Okay, we're gonna start right there. Okay. All right, so, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video. Like, comment, and subscribe when you're finished. And yeah, so I'm just gonna get right into what this video is gonna be about. So, I don't know if you guys follow Jackie Aina. If you don't, I will leave her channel in the description box below. But she is a YouTuber, a big YouTuber. And I want to say it was a year ago maybe, she did this olive green eyeshadow look, and I recreated it then. I'll try to leave the picture of like when I recreated it in somewhere on in this video, but I recreated the eyeshadow look then, but I'm just like, I seen that picture the other day and I was like, I really liked that makeup tutorial, so I'm gonna recreate it again. So this is gonna be like remake. It's still gonna be pretty much the same because I want it to be like the same look that I did like last year. I think it was last year. But I don't know, I'm just gonna recreate it. So yeah, that's what this video is going to be about. Now, I'm using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion to prime my eyelids, to get my eyelids prepared for eyeshadow. So, yeah, I'm just going to blend this out, and then we're going to get right into the olive green eyeshadow. Y'all can comment below and let me know, like, do y'all just like to see my base makeup or my eye makeup or both? Because I don't be knowing which one to film. Or that's why I just always film both, because I don't be knowing which one y'all want to see. But yeah, so let's just get right into the video. Done my brows, of course. I've used the same product, the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow, the Makeup Revolution Makeup Revolution brow pencil with the NYX pot concealer on the top and the Maybelline concealer on the bottom. Same old thing. So today we're gonna be using this eyeshadow palette. Now this eyeshadow palette you can get on Hush. You can get on that. It's an app called Hush, like Hush. And basically they just sell like really cheap makeup. I think this eyeshadow palette was like 12 bucks, but people were saying it's like a dupe for one of the Anastasia palettes. I don't really know which palette they were talking about. I don't know. I just ordered it because I wanted to try it. And when I say this palette is really, really pigmented, like, it's called Retro Love, Bad Habit Retro Love, and it looks like this. So I guess I could say it reminds me of one of the Anastasia palettes, I guess. I don't really know. I think people were saying Subculture, but I'm not sure. I don't have Subculture because I just didn't get it, but I got this and I like this one. I mean, an eyeshadow palette is an eyeshadow palette to me, so if it reminds you of a palette, then that's good. But you know, anyways, you know, there were many opinions on when this eyeshadow palette, you know, became. There were many different opinions, but my opinion was it's a really good eyeshadow palette and it's cheap. So I'm gonna go in with this pencil by BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna go into this color Youth right here. It's like a brown shade, and I'm gonna place that into my transition. Ooh, so you see it has like a lot of kickback. I'm gonna try to show y'all. Like, you can kind of see it has a lot of kickback, but wow, there's a lot of kickback. All right, so let me find my small mirror. Let me find her. I don't know where she is. It's a really, really good transition shade. I always feel like this shade was a really good transition shade because it's like not too brown, but not too like not brown, if that makes sense. So it's really good just to like, you know. So I'm just gonna place this basically like all the way in this crease, all the way to this crease. So just go in windshield wiper motions. Okay, so once I get the brown, the Youth color built up like I like it, I'm just gonna make sure it's blended out. So now I'm gonna go into Hippie, which is this olive green shade here, and I'm gonna place this on the outer points and the inner points of my eye. Now you want to start out light with this because we're going to build it up. So I'm going to start out right here, just blending it in right here into my crease, and then you're just going to slowly build it up. You don't want to start out with too much because, like I tell y'all in a million videos, like, you're going to just you want to start out light and then gradually build it up. So just gonna place Hippie there, and then once I get enough pigment there, I'm gonna go place her on the inside. And I'm basically gonna do on the inside the same thing that I did on the outside. Like on the inside of my eye, the same thing I did on the side. Just blend it out into that brown, just so we can have a smooth transition. Then what I'm gonna do basically is just keep building up this Hippie shade. I just really want it to pop like a little bit more. It's not popping as much as I would like it to, so I'm just gonna blend it. I'm just gonna keep building it up. I'm just gonna kind of connect the two at the top, basically over the top. Like I'm gonna kind of like create a bridge with the olive green shade right here. And then I'm gonna go back in with just a smidge of youth. You only want to tap it, like just all you're gonna need. And then tap off the excess and then just blend. So now we're gonna go in with a flat top brush. I'm just gonna use the first flat top brush I found, just this regular pink brush I got from Amazon years and years and years ago. I'm going to spray some spray on it. Really doesn't matter which spray you spray on it. I usually use my NYX primer spray, but that's the like the one in the white bottle, but that's the first thing I seen, so I just picked it up. And I'm going to go in with this color Icon right here, which is this olive green shimmery shade, and I'm going to place that in the middle of my lid. Woo! Yeah, okay, so I told y'all this palette was pigmented. I told y'all from the jump, so don't be surprised now that I'm placing this on my lid and y'all see. Like, this is gorgeous. That's why I love this palette, because it's gorgeous. I know I don't use it much, but I try to use a lot of different palettes to give, you know. But yeah, so I'm just gonna place this on my lid, and I'm gonna go up and just place it. I'm just gonna blend, kind of like blend the shimmer shade over into the orange, so it can be like a smooth transition. You know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, that looks so good. It looks so good. It looks so freaking good. It's so good. Now I hope I don't miss this eyeshadow look trying to do some eyeshadow. I've been trying to do some wing liner, because y'all know how I suck at wing liner. Alright, so I didn't do this last year to my eyeshadow, but I'm going to try it this year. You know, just to add a little pop up in there. Add a little pop. I'm going to actually go on top of Icon with this Revolution shade, which is this bronzy shade right there. Y'all, when I say I'm only going to apply just a little bit, because these colors are really pigmented, so you just want to apply just a little bit. I don't want to change the color of the olive green. I just want to add a pop, like some flex in it, to give it like, I don't know, I just want to add that. So I just want to add it, so I'm adding it, period. All right. Oh yes. Oh gosh, it looks so good. Oh my god, that looks so good. Oh my god, y'all, I gotta go off camera, y'all. I just Alright, so I'm about to go off camera and finish this eye, and your girl will be back. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. I hope y'all love it just as much as I do. This is the top that I'm wearing today. It kind of got like olive green in a little bit, so you know. Yeah, but I went ahead and like did my face makeup off camera. I was gonna do it on camera, but I've done it a million times on camera. Like, if y'all want to know the specifics of how I do my base makeup, like my face makeup, and you know, all the logistics of it, then just come in the comment section below and let me know, and I'll do a video just on my face makeup, because I don't be knowing if y'all want to see that or not. So yeah, but I went and switched my wig, honey, because you know, this wig was in my closet, and she was just like, why you ain't been touching? So, you know, I just had to pull her out real quick. I'm not gonna be wearing her every day, because baby, this is 28 inches and she is way too long, like past my butt, and she too long. Like, I be having to do other stuff. I don't be having time to be trying to make sure she's all groomed and everything. So back to my short wig after this makeup look. But I just feel like this black hair was just gonna make this look just pop, so I just had to bring her out, you know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all love the look, okay? If you try to recreate the look, or if you recreate the look, then tag me, okay? Because I want to see all y'all looks, if y'all try to, or if y'all recreate the look. But yeah, so but yeah, so I love it so much. I can't quit looking at myself. I just put the Fenty Gloss Bomb on my lips, and you know, but no, okay, so I'm gonna let y'all go. Like, I'm being extra, but anyways, so like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.